Welcome to a Web 2.0 broadcast of the DrugAware website, www.drug-aware.com. Homepage. Welcome to DrugAware Limited, providers of drug and alcohol test kits, awareness training, policy development and laboratory services. Welcome to DrugAware Limited, the professional's choice for all of your drug and alcohol test kit, drug awareness training and consultancy requirements. We specialize in on-site urine drug tests, but also offer urine, breath and saliva alcohol test kits with all of the training and expert support you could possibly need. Whether you're a medical professional looking for the best in drug screening products and services, a UK employer seeking to reduce the impact of drugs and alcohol in the workplace, or a parent interested in home drug tests, you've come to the right place. To suit customers of all backgrounds, we offer a comprehensive range of on-site drug and alcohol test kits, laboratory testing services, drug awareness training, and policy development services, all of which are supported by the courteous and friendly team here at DrugAware. To help you navigate our website more easily and effectively, we have divided the content into the following sections. We hope you enjoy our site, www.drug-aware.com. We have a section on DrugAware Rapid On-Site Drug Test Kits, alcohol test kits, both saliva and breath alcohol tests, drug testing accessories such as gloves, cups, adulteration and dilution tests, etc. Laboratory services for urine drug screening and hair testing. Training and consultancy such as drug awareness, drug and alcohol policy development and implementation services. We also provide drug and alcohol information. Contact us for any more details that you require on any of the above. We also have a list of blog articles, such as an overview about DrugAware, cross-reacting opiates, drug screening explained, urine collection procedures, substance abuse in the workplace, the facts, drug and alcohol abuse, celebrity quotes, cocaine drug test wipes for surfacers, record opium harvest in Afghanistan, workplace drug testing, alcohol-related deaths on the increase, drug testing, the facts, does tramadol test positive for opiates or morphine, random drug testing, drug abuse statistics in young people, home drug test frequently asked questions, recent Scottish drug abuse statistics, drug test results, alcohol breathalyzer tests, and drink driving limits for DUI or DWI offences. We frequently add articles to our website, so visit us for more details.